too dark out. Wow, that was cool.
What's up, everybody? I am back in Chicago. I'll be here for the next 5 days, really to pick up some equipment, do some work, switch out some of my clothes. I'll talk about some of that later. Last time I saw you, I was in Sicily, and after Sicily, I head over to London. First day I arrived, I went to the Warner Brothers studio tour for Harry Potter. People that know me know I love Harry Potter. I had every intention to vlog it, make a whole episode, but when I arrived, it was so amazing I just wanted to take it for myself. Next few days were raining, typical London weather, and the following day was the worst. I woke up, normal day, getting ready, and I noticed my shoes were missing. I asked the cleaners, other people at the hostel, I looked everywhere. I couldn't find them. So literally someone stole my used size 8 men's shoes from my room. What the heck? So that day I walked around London shoeless, ripping up my socks, freezing weather, wet floor, wasting money on new shoes. I already have new shoes here at home. That day was just terrible. After London, I head over to Iceland. And let me tell you, Iceland is expensive. I knew it was expensive, but not as expensive as it was when I got there. The burger that I got my first day cost me more than my flight just to get to Iceland. That either tells you how expensive the food is, or how cheap my flight was to get there. I would go back to Iceland, but I would definitely want to go when it's warmer, because my time here was way too cold, snowy, and windy to even enjoy it. You could only be out for a couple minutes, even if you're all bundled up. I was just being blown over. The microphone wasn't even picking up my voice. It was so windy, even with the dead cat on. So anyways, now I'm home. I'm just gonna drive around today and see some of my friends. It's been a long time.
He making them salads, he making them salads, he making them salads. You know, come on, he trying to get you, baby.
No. Bro, can you hook it up? Can you hook it up?
I got you.
Oh yeah.
Here you go.
Shh. Don't tell nobody that. I know. Nobody's watching anyways.
Turn up.
Oh. Uh-oh, nice pants. You just... What happened? Dip it in food coloring and...
That don't look like a mic.
It's a dead cat.
That looks like a... What?
Oh, Jesus. This is why she didn't get a date for homecoming.
I do have dates. Lots of dates.
Oh.
Julian, you want some calamari?
Calamari? This has been sitting here for 12 days. Do you want it?
No.
Has she ever smoked weed?
Did she ever?
Do you smoke, Cassie?
Nope.
Have you ever?
Nope.
Have you ever vaped on someone?
Have you ever owned a Subaru?
No. Smoke that battery thing.
Smoke a battery. Oh yeah. I just went to my car and just smoked the battery.
Why are you recording my mess kit?
What, you?
Bye, Giuliani. Wait, no, you're always the middle piece.
Milk? What does that mean? What's up, everybody? For a moment, I just want to talk about some of the updates and what's upcoming in this channel. If you cannot tell, the quality on this film is a lot better than before using my phone. I'm now filming with the Canon 70D. It looks a lot better, a lot more professional. I can do the shots that I want to do originally. I also got the DJI Mavic Pro, so I can get some aerial shots of everything around the world and really show you the landscape bird's eye view. As I mentioned before, I'm here for the next 5 days in the Chicagoland area, and afterwards I'm heading down south to get away from this bad weather, heading to Tampa and Cancun for a few days. And after that, I'm heading to Southeast Asia for a month. The things after that are going to be some of my favorite vlogs, so you just gotta stay tuned and see what's coming up in the next few months. Yo!
What's up?
How was work?
I work at a fast food restaurant, so how do you think it was?
Shit. Sorry.
No, actually, it was a pretty good day.
Oh. Thanks for watching today's vlogs. Follow me at Julian Andrade Vlogs.
Hi, my name's Adam. Follow me on my Tumblr. Yo, real daddy, the lair of the real Dracula.
What? Okay! Yeah!
Can I use that?